So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see here, we are at Buc-ee's. I already got gas, but I had to pull in here to get a video and a picture and to start off this video for you guys. So yeah, I'm not gonna get gas right now. We already did that by the gas station near my house, but we finally got a Buc-ee's nearby, which isn't too far away. I decided to drive up here to get some POVs, pictures, and also check out the store. It's a massive store. It is so nice. I look at all this like gas pumps and lighting. There's been like a bunch of car meets here recently, but I haven't been lately. It's getting kind of cold out now, but tonight I'm gonna go ahead and test out my DJI Action 5 camera that's mounted on my head right now. So that is why I drove up here. We're gonna go around and get a POV. The car is actually clean today. I haven't washed it all week, but I also haven't drove it all week. So she's chilling. She looks good right now, thankfully. I just want to make sure it's clean for the video so people don't point me out. But other than that, the car is solid. I figured out some of my exhaust issues. One of my leak on the muffler area is because I have a clamp that's kind of worn out, so I just got to replace that clamp here. I'm waiting for that part to come in, and we're just going to take that off and swap it out, and it should be good to go. But other than that, the car is great. I'm pretty content with the way the car is. I'm trying to keep the car the way it is and healthy and solid, but we do have other plans down the road. I'm looking into getting another car right now, so that is why I'm not really going crazy with this car. I'm pretty content with the way it is, like I said, but the next car I might go crazy with, and stay tuned for that. So I do have the what you call it, the fucking DJI mic mini that I will use in another video, but for today's purpose we're just gonna try and test out the DJI Action 5. I had it for a while now, I just didn't get a chance to do a night POV, and supposedly it has a night vision, well, night mode, which GoPro didn't have. And GoPro night mode just kind of like, it wasn't good. I tried to edit it and make the video a lot brighter and better, but it's just, I don't know, my settings probably suck. If anybody knows any good settings for your GoPro at nighttime, shit, let me know. But supposedly the DJI is solid. I've tested a little bit, not much though, supposedly the mic, the built-in microphone on the DJI is a lot better than the GoPro as well. I don't know if it's true or not, but I guess we'll find out. I'll find out with you guys. So we'll drive with the windows open a little bit and see if it'll pick up more supercharger noise and more exhaust sound. Also blocking out wind noise. Hopefully it does that job too. tunnel. I need a reel and a picture under that tunnel, bro. Man, I am creating so much noise around here right now, bro. As you can see, it's kind of quiet out. I'm the only motherfucker being all loud. Steel plate, that's crazy. I thought that was the op, bruh. Parking lot, guys. Man, it's a vibe over here. Nice parking lot to learn how to draw a stick. Two, two, two. Hop on the interstate and do a little pull. Man, I hope this video comes out nice. Man, you're too slow, bro. I'm out of here. damn diffuser is touching my muffler tips as well, which kind of sucks. Car guys problems. A lot of people wonder what's this little number thing here. That's my P3 boost gauge, analog boost gauge. It does more than just boost gauge. It shows you your temperature, ignition, a bunch of other shit too. I can't remember at the moment, but you can read your codes, clear your codes, 0 to 60 time. You can change it to your make it your speed odometer as well, which is pretty sick. I've went over this a few times already, but for the new people, and also for the new people who's tuning in, I really appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Mikey, by the way, and I make content on cars, things related. But as of right now, I am making things related to my 2014 S4 B8.5. Isn't Halloween over though? Damn, the house is still crazy, bro. And the town is like dead and empty. This is why when you guys are telling me to, yo, do pulls, bro, do pulls, it's not that easy. Half the town will hear me when I do a pull, and you can only imagine it's like the cops are probably hiding out somewhere. They're gonna fucking hear my ass, bro. But it is better at nighttime because less traffic, which sucks. I'm trying to obey the law as well, because a lot of you guys are ruining things for the car scene right now, doing takeovers and dumb shit and swimming in lanes. Like, look, those things are cool and all, but like, there's a time and place for all those shits, and a lot of you guys are just doing that shit anywhere, bro, which is fucking things up. Now, people are looking at us car people bad. The cops in places are not like welcoming car meets and car activities, or even looking at car guys in a positive way anymore, because a lot of people are ruining shit. But yeah, I don't know. I break the law and shit too, but I'm just saying, we just gotta try to at least be respectful about it and fucking find a better time and place to do shit that you want, bro, so that way you don't risk hurting people or things around, bro, which you can't avoid 100%, but at least avoid like trying to hurt people and shit. But I'm about to end the video here soon, because I don't know, I feel like it's hot out. It's a Thursday night. The boys are probably hiding all over the place. I'm not trying to lose my fucking car. We'll be fucked. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this video turns out well. This is like my first POV with this DJI 5, Action 5, Osmo, whatever you call it.